Orgain Hydrolyzed Collagen Peptides. Stir, sip, support. Aging gracefully is cool and all, but sometimes a little extra support goes a long way. That's where Orgain Hydrolyzed Collagen Peptides step in, giving your hair, skin, nails, and joints a boost, all without adding any weird flavors to your morning coffee. With 20 grams of grass-fed collagen per serving, this powder is unflavored, dissolves smoothly, and fits effortlessly into a paleo, keto, or general wellness routine. It's made with type 1 and 3 collagen, meaning it targets skin elasticity, hair strength, and joint mobility. Basically, all the things that remind us we're not 18 anymore. Since using this, my skin feels a little glowier, joints feel a little smoother, and hair, let's just say fewer bad hair days. And because it's non-GMO and free from artificial junk, it's an easy addition to any routine. We give it 2 thumbs up. As with all supplements, check with your healthcare professional to see if it's right for you. Thanks for watching.